Wrinkle Wars. Defeat aging overnight with Neutrogena's Triple Threat Night Cream. Can one cream fight aging while you sleep? Ever looked in the mirror and wished time could hit the rewind button? Wrinkles, dark spots, and sagging skin can feel like unwelcome guests overstaying their welcome. Enter Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Anti-Aging Night Cream, your secret weapon in the battle against aging. Packed with vitamin C, glycerin, and shea butter, this dermatologist-approved formula promises to smooth wrinkles, even skin tone, and boost firmness while you catch those Z's. Wake up to visibly younger, hydrated skin in just 4 weeks, no needles required. Why settle for one benefit when you can have 3? Neutrogena's Triple Age Repair doesn't just hydrate, it fights wrinkles, restores elasticity, and evens out discoloration for a truly transformative effect. Its powerhouse blend of vitamin C targets dark spots and uneven skin tone, while glycerin and shea butter lock in moisture for all-night nourishment. The secret weapon? Hexinol Technology, clinically proven to revitalize skin's elasticity and smooth out wrinkles like a pro. Say goodbye to dull, tired skin and hello to radiant, youthful confidence. Don't gamble with your skincare routine, trust the science behind this best-selling anti-aging powerhouse. Dermatologist-approved and backed by clinical results, Neutrogena's Triple Age Repair Night Cream proves that luxury skincare doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. Affordable yet effective, it's designed to deliver visible improvements in just 4 weeks, without irritation. Whether you're battling stubborn fine lines or chasing a youthful glow, this cream is your one-step solution for smoother, firmer, and brighter skin. Tired of heavy, greasy creams that clog pores and feel sticky? Neutrogena's lightweight formula absorbs instantly, leaving no residue, just silky soft hydration that preps your skin for makeup or bare-faced beauty. Designed for all skin types, even sensitive ones, it soothes irritation and keeps breakouts at bay. Plus, its gentle yet powerful blend means you can use it every night without worry. From busy mornings to glamorous evenings, this cream fits perfectly into your daily routine, because looking fabulous shouldn't feel like work. Imagine skincare that doesn't just promise results, but delivers them, fast. With Neutrogena's Triple Age Repair Anti-Aging Night Cream, smoother, firmer, and more radiant skin is just a jar away. Save time, money, and frustration by skipping endless products that don't work. Instead, streamline your beauty routine with this all-in-one miracle worker. Affordable, tech-tested, and proven effective, it's the smart choice for anyone who wants to age gracefully, or not at all. Ready to take control of your skin? Start tonight, and let Neutrogena work its magic while you dream.